Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to add Zetachain to MetaMask. Open MetaMask and unlock your wallet, then click Networks and choose Add Network. Enter the Zetachain RPC URL, chain ID, and network name exactly as provided by the official docs. Set the currency symbol and optional block Explorer URL. Save the network, switch to it, and confirm with a small test transaction to verify settings before sending larger amounts. Open the Zetachain documentation and copy the RPC URL and chain ID from the official source. In MetaMask, paste the RPC URL into the new network form and type the chain ID exactly as shown. Add a clear network name and the native currency symbol so balances and gas fees appear correctly. Optionally, add a block Explorer URL to view transactions and confirm network health before you start interacting with contracts. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is a great grab for busy builders and crypto viewers, with a leak-proof lid and easy one-handed sip that fits cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Double-check all network details against Zetachain's official resources to avoid spoofed RPC endpoints. After adding the network, send a small test transaction to confirm everything functions properly and the address behaves as expected. Consider connecting a hardware wallet to MetaMask for larger transfers to reduce phishing risk. Keep your seed phrase offline and never enter it into websites. Treat it like cash and store it securely to protect your funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.